In recent years, there has been a growing awareness of the importance of healthy fats in our diets, especially when it comes to oils that should be consumed raw. Indian cuisine is known for its rich and diverse flavors, and oils play an important role in it. However, not all oils are suitable for heating. In fact, many oils lose their nutritional benefits and become harmful for human health when cooked at high temperatures. To get benefits from the oils, it's best to consume them raw. Mustard oil. One of the most widely used oils in Indian cuisines is mustard oil. While several parts of the country use it as a cooking oil, there are places like West Bengal and Odisha where it is consumed in raw form. So, does it make any difference? Yes, a lot. Mustard oil is a nutrient powerhouse. It contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, both good for heart health. Raw mustard oil has antimicrobial properties and helps fight against infections. For many, raw mustard oil is a flavor enhancer as is used in specific dishes like aloo chokha. Groundnut oil. Another popular oil in India is groundnut oil. It is also known as peanut oil and is rich in monounsaturated fats, making it heart-friendly. It contains a good amount of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the body from free radical damage. Groundnut oil also provides omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for skin health and cell regeneration. It offers small amounts of plant sterols that can aid in reducing cholesterol levels. When consumed raw, groundnut oil retains its full nutrient profile, including vitamin E and antioxidants. Cooking at high heat can break down its beneficial compounds and generate unhealthy trans fats. Use it raw in chutneys without compromising its nutritional value. Coconut oil, unlike its refined counterpart, retains all its nutrients, including medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. While this oil can withstand heat better than some oils, eating it raw ensures that the MCTs remain intact. These fats are known to support metabolism, brain function, and provide a quick source of energy. Coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties, making it excellent for overall immunity. Coconut oil is a quick source of energy, so consuming it before exercise can help enhance stamina and endurance. Bulletproof coffee. Coffee with added coconut oil is a popular way to incorporate this oil raw. You can also add it to herbal teas for a creamy texture. Sesame oil is revered in Ayurvedic practices for its health benefits. Ayurveda suggests consuming sesame oil in the morning to balance internal energies and promote digestion. Rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and healthy fats, it helps balance cholesterol, improves heart health, and boosts skin health. While sesame oil can be used for light sorting, its cold-pressed version should ideally be consumed raw to retain its rich content of vitamins and antioxidants. Heating the oil destroys these nutrients. Drizzle sesame oil over salads for a nutty flavor and enhanced nutritional profile. Add sesame oil to stir-fried vegetables, soups, or rice dishes after cooking to preserve its nutrients and taste. Sesame oil is also known for its warming properties, making it ideal for massages. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest oils you can consume raw. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Its smoke point is relatively low, meaning it loses its nutritional benefits when heated. It is ideal to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of this oil. You can drizzle it over fresh salads, or mix it with lemon juice and herbs for a light, tangy dressing. Studies have shown that consumption of this oil can reduce the risk of heart disease, improve brain function, and even help in weight management.